Welcome guys, so today I am with the Honor Magic 4 Pro and I want to show you how Camera Pro Mode looks and how it works in this smartphone. So to open the Pro Mode we have to go for the More, it's right here, and then select Pro Mode, it's right here. As you can see, it's next to the More. So at the first we'll focus on this bar, and after that we'll move right here, but at the first I can recommend you to tap on this information icon where you'll find a great description of every parameter that we are going to adjust right here. Okay, let's start. Right here we can find the spot metering. We got 3 options. Another one is ISO. We can set it up from 50 to 6400. We can also set it up automatically. Another one is the shutter speed. We can set it even for the 30 seconds. And we can also set it up automatically. The next option that we will find is exposure compensation. Let me just adjust this one automatically. So the exposure compensation, we can go between +4 and the -4. And of course, that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. The next one is focus. So right here, that's automatic focus, and right here it's manual. And the last one, it's the white balance. We can find 4 presets and manual slider between 2000 kelvins and 8000 kelvins. We can also set it up automatically. Right here we can zoom in or zoom out. In this place we can change photo format, and also we are able to turn on the flashlight, but unfortunately in my case it's not working because this battery is very low, so I cannot turn on the flashlight. As you can see, it's only on the 5%. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.